Hey guys, this is Puff Cloud, and I got an RC plane from HobbyKing, and it has floats and wheels, so I can fly it off of water and land. So why don't we go and box it? As you can see, it is HobbyKing. As you can see by the tape's been cut, but I haven't taken out anything or took anything out of its seal. The radio I'm running off of is an Aero Sport S by Hobby People. They're not in business anymore, so you might be able to find that radio on eBay and stuff, but it's kind of old-fashioned. It doesn't have dual rates. It just has your trim, servo reversing, and on-off switch. Anyway, let's get to I will probably link the aircraft in the description in case any of you want it. I might also put the specs if I'm feeling non-lazy. Yeah, so that's a big maybe. The specs will be in the link of the aircraft. Anyway, I'm gonna cut that open and then I'll cut that open and I'll be right back. But before I move on with that, I do have gassers, and you can see my Cirrus and Typhoon. I know it's a little dirty down here, but this is where I work. Anyway, we'll see what's in here. Looks like we got the wheel assembly. Now this whole airplane is actually pretty light. Transporting this box, it was fairly light. I will probably list the weight then, because it seems pretty light. There's your wheels. Prop and spinner. The prop's fairly small. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Alright, now we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so now we got the fuselage. It does have the vertical stabilizer already intact. And here's the floats that are very loosely taped on there. Whoa. Let me set this down real quick. It seems like the floats are made out of foam, which is fine as long as it floats. And here is the fuselage. Looks like, where's the hatch? Alright, I guess we'll figure that out later. But, I might be wondering, where's the horizontal stabilizer in the wings, or under that piece of cardboard? And why is everything taped together? They all disconnect their tape. There we go. And of course, it's taped to the box as well. I mean, I guess that's a good thing, so they don't really move around as much during transport. But still, they could have gone with less tape. Anyway, this is going to be hard to do with one hand, so I'll be right back. The horizontal strap, that right there, that looks like a protective cover on the control horn, so it didn't get damaged during transport. I guess that's pretty cool. Anyway, so here's onto the final part. Looks like this stuff is fairly good packaged. So even if the delivery guy did throw it, looks like it would probably be in good shape. Anyway, we got the spar right there, and the wing linkages already coming out. Looks like it only has ailerons, but as you can see, that's a fairly large surface. And yeah, we'll cut everything open. Probably do an assembly video on this channel, but I'll probably do the maiden on my other channel, Crack and Bean Productions. Alright, now let's get everything out of the plastic. One note before I unpackage everything. This rod, I'm pretty sure, is carbon fiber. So yeah, do with that information as you please. Notice something, this isn't that bad and whatnot. I don't think it would affect the flying characteristics that much. But look, you can see there's wrinkles in the decals. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out real quick. But other than that, it is fine. Alright, and as you can see, on the ailerons, the control horns are already snapped in, and the servo's already connected and pre-installed. All you have to do is just plug it into your receiver. Don't have this out of the package But there's the landing gear assembly. Here's the floats. They're really nice, but they're really light, dude. Even this metal here, probably aluminum, if I had to guess. But yeah, if you could feel these, it's like, I don't know, they're soft. I don't know how to describe it. It's definitely different from this foam. This one feels laminated, and the floats feel unlaminated, if that makes sense. Screws, but to install the wing and stuff, you take out these right here, because they're your screws. They unscrew and stuff. I might do a rough assembly at the end of this video of what it looks like. I'll probably put the floats on first, but yeah, this is what it looks like. But I probably won't put the prop on. Probably just save that, and you'll see it with the prop on the maiden video. But yeah, we'll put the wings on and stuff, and yeah, be patient while I do that. And well, yeah, I guess give me a minute. I'll do that, and I'll get back. Guys, we are finished with the build. Some complaints I do have is, well, no instructions, and it's hard to get the servo leads through here. The landing gear, it's a little difficult to put together, and I have no instruction manual, so it's like, you know what I'm saying? But I'll probably figure it out. Anyway, other than that, it's pretty cool. I've seen reviews on it, and they say it's a little overpowered, so it'll probably be a little zippy. I'll be flying it off of a 3-cell, and the maiden will probably be in a day or two, and it'll either be on Kraken Bean Productions or this channel, because Jordan might be out there with me, you know, my second-hand man. Anyway, until that maiden, this is the TL2000. Hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing and put together of this aircraft, and well, yeah, see ya.